Welcome back. Joining us now is Michael, a comfort consultant with Bruce Thornton Air Conditioning. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. So first of all, tell us a little bit about the Helping Heroes campaign.
Well, when the pandemic first hit, we wanted to make sure that we were putting our frontline workers at the front of our minds and taking care of them as far as giving them free tune-ups. It ended up being a big business hit for us as far as making sure we had everyone taken care of. Now this year we want to take on educators, teachers in our education system. And so if any teacher, retired teacher, anyone that's in the education system can give us a call and we will offer a free tune-up, which is a $99 value.
Wow,
and
great.
Also let them know the things that they need to get repaired or things that will help buy them more energy efficiency in their systems. And even if you're not in the education system, if you're a Lubbock homeowner in the Lubbock area, you get a $50 discount.
Wow, that's great.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
giving back to the community, that's big, especially
Yes.
in Lubbock. Lubbock loves to do business with businesses that give back to the community.
Yes,
and
ma'am.
it sounds like you are doing a great job. And COVID, you know, it puts a bad taste in our mouth a
Yes.
lot, but there are so many good things that come from it. And so this
ma'am.
is something that, because of COVID, it was generated. Is that right?
Absolutely.
I love that. I love that. Now, a couple more specials for members or membership specials y'all have going on. I know you mentioned for the
Yes.
teachers, so tell us a little bit about that.
Yes, so right now too, we're, like anyone else in the Lubbock area, we're looking to recruit some employees as far anyone that wants to get in the HVAC trade or the plumbing trade or the refrigeration trade. And so if you refer someone and we get a hold of them and then we have the conversation and we end up hiring this person, you get a free Cool Club, which is a silver membership. We've got bronze, silver, gold, and basically that is a 4-time visit per year where we will come out and change your filters. We'll come out and do a 15-point inspection on your furnace,
Wow.
on your air conditioner, and really just to say thank you for feeding into this because, you know, like the last Trends and Friends we had, we're into our 50th year, and so we really want to push back. That's what Bruce was all about, and that's what we want to keep at the forefront of our minds. Yes,
Wow,
ma'am.
that's great.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
looking for new employees, come out, and then you're going to offer a gift
free
card. That's
Cool
great.
Club, yes.
And then what is one piece of advice you would have for someone who has an air conditioner before they call you, or maybe a little maintenance before they might need you?
Absolutely, and that's the meat of this whole thing, right? We want to save everyone money. We want to save everyone costs. Before you give us a call, if anything's going crazy with your air conditioner, check your filters.
Got it.
Check your filters. I don't know how many times we've been on calls where the filter was just slammed. It starts icing up. It's not because you're running it too hard or it's too cold. Your filter may be blocked. So check your filter. Other than that, just keep your eyes on the weather. If you sense anything going on, give us a call.
Great. All right,
Yes,
check
ma'am.
your filter, and then if you still need help, call Bruce Thornton. It's a great time.
Yes,
Don't
ma'am.
go anywhere. We'll be right back with more Trends and Friends.